Hello friends, welcome to our online class. We are asked to solve this Olympiad math question. Olympiad math. X times X times X plus X equals 10. So for us to solve this, X times X times X is going to have X raised to power 3 plus X equals to 10. So if we rearrange this, we're going to have X raised to power 3 plus X minus 10 equals to 0. But we can write this as X raised to power 3 plus X minus, you can write 10 as 8 plus 2 equals to 0. So if we regroup it and collect like 10, we're going to have X raised to power 3 plus X minus 8 minus 2 equals to 0. So we can regroup this thing and write it as X raised to power 3 minus 8 plus X minus 2 equals to 0. So we can write this as X raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Then plus X minus 2 equals to 0. So if we have this, since we have this expression, this implies, you can also remember that, recall that A raised to power 3 minus B raised to power 3 equals A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So if we apply the same rule here, we are going to have x square, x minus 2, x minus 2, we're going to have x minus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 4, we close bracket, then plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So this is common. X minus 2 is common. So we can take it outside and have x minus 2, x minus 2 into a bracket of x square to a bracket of x square plus 2x plus 4, bracket it, then plus 1, close the bracket and write equals to 0. So having this, we can say, we can write this as x square or x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Now write something like this equals to 0. That's what we have. So if we have that, if we have this, so we can state that the first solution will be x minus 2 equals to 0, implying that if x minus 2 equals 0, implying that x equals to 2. So this will be the first solution. This will be the first solution, implying that x equals to 2. So if x equals to 2, then let us solve for the second solution to the question. The second solution will be the second equation will be the equation that have to do with x square, this one, plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Here, a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 5. So if we write our almighty formula now, which says x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we apply this almighty formula, what are we going to have now? We substitute now. We're going to have x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 bracket a is 1 and c is 5 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So we have x now equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20 over 2. Square root of 4 minus 20 over 2. So x will now be minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 16 over 2. And this can be equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So if we can express it like this, we recall that in a complex number that the square root of minus 1 is I. So we can write it as x equals to, we can write this as x equals to minus 1 plus or minus 4 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, okay, we're going to have 4i over 2. So x will be minus 1 plus or minus we're going to have our b is 2 already, sorry, 2. Our b was 2, 2, 2. So it will be -2 plus 4i/2, or -2 minus 4i/2. So x equals to -1 plus 2i. You have to divide it, or x equals to -1 minus 2i. So the real solution to this equation now becomes, let's say x1 equals, the first equation we solved was, we solved it and we got 2. So the second one, x2, will be -1 plus 2i. Then x3 will be -1 minus 2i. That is all we're going to have now for a trivial equation. Thank you for watching, and do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.